Hi everyone! So today we are going to Rome for 2 days. So come along with me to Rome. So we are currently in the Fontana di Trevi. Too many people. Walking around Rome, I just got a sorbet of lemon inside a lemon. Like, this is so cute. Now, after I eat this, I'm gonna head to like a church and see. Yeah, so come along. The weather is kinda because I think it's gonna start to rain, but it's okay, we got an umbrella. We're heading now to the Pantheon. So it started raining. No bueno. A mí no me gusta. It's okay though. The rain doesn't stop us from exploring. The way to my heart. An ice cream. Gelato. In Italy. That's it. To make me happy. This is such a cute road. This is day 2 of exploring Rome. I'm on my way to the Vatican City. I took a monster because I didn't sleep that much. So some energy is needed to get up all those stairs. So yeah, once I'm there, I'll continue. Exploring the Colosseum. By the way, the necklace that I got, so cute, so demure. Exploring. Exploring. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with this necklace. I just got out of the Colosseum, now I'm heading to the Roman Forum. Yeah, it's pretty sunny today. But better than yesterday that it was raining, so can't complain. I love the sun. Currently exploring the Roman Forum. Just walking around these places. I forgot to film, but I just had the best carbonara there is. Like, the place is empty. So yeah, Alfredo is the name of the restaurant. So good. It started raining again. I don't like the sound of that. let's see how that goes. Guys, I still need to get a picture of it.